Hi guys, in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone on Snapchat. So the process to do this is very simple and easy. The first thing you want to do is to open up the Snapchat application, and then once you have the Snapchat application open, just swipe to the right of your screen to head over to your chat or messages, and then you land on this page here. And once you're on this page here, you want to find the person which you'd like to block, and then once you find the person you want to block, just press on the screen on the name of the person which you would like to block, and then an option should come up like this on your screen. And then once you have this shown on your screen, just head over and select more, and then just under report there you should find an option that says block. So to block this particular person or to block any particular person you like to block, just head over and select this block option, and here you can see a message here from asking you if you want to block this person. Just head over and click block again. And then once you do that, you will notice that the name of the person has been removed from this list here. You can't find the person here anymore. And with this process now, the person can't send you any message anymore, and you have successfully been able to block this person. Okay guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial. If the video helped you, please give the video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every person that subscribes to this channel helps the channel grow a lot. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.